Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showcasing you how to fix your iPhone 17 Pro Max if it is freeze on you. So let's get started. The first thing and the simple thing that you want to do is to quickly press and release the volume up and then quickly press and release the volume down and then hold on to the side button in order to first unfreeze it. So I'm going to do that, volume up, volume down, and then I hold on to the side button just like that. And we are going to wait until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears before I let go that side button. And this is known as forced restart, which is going to be your number one troubleshooting step when it comes to fixing any software related issue. Once I see the Apple logo, I let go of that side button and we are going to go ahead and use this method to first unfreeze it. Now, after we have unfreeze it, we are going to follow some other steps to ensure that does not happen again, which I will show you once we get back into the phone. And if you could not get into the first time, try it again and just simply make sure you press the volume up, volume down quickly, important thing before holding on to the side button. And once you go back onto the phone, you want to make sure do a couple of things here. First thing you are going to do is go into your settings on your iPhone and then you are going to go onto general and then look for the iPhone storage in the storage section. You want to make sure you have at least, I would say, 10 gigabytes available here. You can see here I have a lot of storage available for me. For some reason, if you move things over and there is not enough space, sometimes when you open up app, it can go ahead and crash it, which basically freeze it as well. The next big thing you want to do is also go ahead and update the apps on your iPhone. So if you go into your app store here and you click on profile, you should have the option to update it here. It will say update apps, so you want to do that as well. Now, along with that, if you are still having the issue, the next thing to do is in your settings, go to general, scroll all the way down in transfer reset iPhone, click on reset, and then you are going to reset all the settings themselves. Because when you transfer or using a new iPhone, for the very first thing, you might not be correctly set up your device. So we want to reset all the settings. This method will not delete any of your data. It simply reset all the settings that we see, such as network keyboard, home screen layout, handwriting and location and privacy. Now moving on, along with that, if you are still having the issue, the next thing going to be to do is see if there is any update for your iPhone. In order to check that, what you need to do is to go to your settings, then general, then software update. And because the iOS 26 is new and the iPhone 17 is brand new phone, there are bugs fixes in the device software. As you can see, we have such as a touchscreen being unresponsive, camera freezing. All of those are being fixed in the new update. So you can check out the updates, and if there is a new update, you can update your device as soon as possible to fix all those issues which are causing the phones to crashes or freeze or unresponsive. And you guys, these are the simple troubleshooting steps. If you follow them, your phone will be unfreeze. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Peace.